soak in some of this beautiful green rainforest in the morning and the beautiful sound of the birds. I hope you guys can hear those. It's just so peaceful. Absolutely peaceful. I love it. Thank you. Little Louisiana style chicken over at Popeyes here. Put in the comments below whether there's a Popeyes where you live and if you've been there, whether you like it or not. This will be my first time over here. So we'll try a little chicken. Okay, I'm going to have to put the camera down when we go in here to order.
At BDC, we know being an entrepreneur means always being ready to take on challenges and seize opportunities. Get up to $100,000 from small business loans to make your projects a reality.
Hi, thank you. Hi, man, please have it. 2-piece platter with coleslaw and french fries, and then that comes with a drink, correct? Yes. So that'll be it, thank you.
And non-spicy for the chicken?
I'm going to have spicy chicken, and can I have white meat only, please?
Just wait.
Just white.
If you want, let me check, sir. Just give me one.
Thank you.
One will be spicy, one will be mild.
Yes, please.
Okay for you?
One and one. Thank you.
What need to go, sir?
For here.
And vinegar.
Thank you. Okay, that was just okay. I don't think Colonel Sanders is anything to worry about. Although I've seen these Popeyes are all over the place, but definitely Colonel Sanders is winning that one. See if we can't find a good spot to hang our hammock and get camping here. We've got some Candingos on board, so we're ready to rock and roll. We've been fed. Good to go. Okay. See you guys when we get to wherever it is we're going. We'll figure it out. Yes, we have found it, guys. This is way better than that graveyard site. And it's still stealth-worthy. We're right on the edge of a dog path and then a street on one side and a dog path to the south. And we're just in hang heaven here. We got that guy and this guy that I'm sitting up against, so. And then we've got the cover of this old cedar stump to block us from the path when we're down in our little hidey hole over here. For now, I'm just a photographer in amazement of these British Columbia rainforests. So yeah, this is much better than I thought it was going to be. I wasn't looking forward to sleeping beside the road again. I've done that too many times. There's the street. Oh yes, guys, this is really, really nice. Perfect. I love the rainforest, and I'm 2 inches away from us. Hang on. Let's just see who that is. Hello, Marco. Oh, that's crazy. You're going to be on my video now. You are the video. I'm going to put you on speaker. Hang on. Okay, special guest appearance from one of my closest and oldest friends, Mr. Magnifico. Okay, Marco, so what do you want to tell the world?
I don't play hockey anymore, but the only ice I see is in my glass.
Okay, all right. Are you watching hockey right now, or?
I am watching hockey.
So give me
tied up, baby.
No, all tied up.
Let's go.
All tied up. Okay. All right. Well, I'm just going to turn this camera off here so we can have a quick conversation. But isn't that a timely phone call? This is definitely making it into the movie.
Forget about it.
That was sure a nice surprise hearing from my friend Marco. We haven't spoken in a while. So anyway, it's just about to get dark. I put on an extra layer in my toque in preparation. It's not going to get too cold tonight. I think 7 degrees above Celsius. So I'm going to just do a little gear run through. Well, just one piece of gear in particular. This runs their pop-up tent. That's what we're going to be in tonight. There's a lot of mosquitoes out here. And my one tigress hammock, the mosquito mesh is all torn, so alternate plan. We're going to be okay, though. Anyway, I'm going to have a step to. That's been a long day, fun day, but it's time to really start kicking back and chilling. That path is gone dead, so I think we're going to be good in here for the night. I'm going to set up right in there in that little gap in the trees. Oh, matron. Oh, no, there's a few people still coming down the path. I can hear the dogs. I'm going to go silent here. Okay. The lighting's a little better. That's the houses out on the street. Before you couldn't see them, the sun was glaring down on them. I'm actually on doctor's orders not to drink, so we'll have the hard day. Northwest IPA. Cheers, guys. I'm just going to chill here and have my beer. worry about that later. But that's the pop-up tent. Okay, here's my setup, guys. I'm using this tree here to sit up against, and the one tiger's chair for my table. Duck-filled down quilt as my pillow up against there, so I got a beautiful seat. And then we've got our sleeping quarters tucked up into this gap in the woods in a little hole here. And this is the Runzer. It's going to be my go-to for 2024 stealth season for sure. Here's the door. And you're in. It's just a bug net basically. We're going to close it so we don't get any bugs in there. So, light. You saw how small it was earlier. So that's her. I mean, this is the most comfy stealth camp I've ever had. And I've had a few. Go look back in the back catalog. There's 35 stealthies. Hey guys. I'm leaning up against my tree here and just falling into La La Land, so it won't be long before I crawl over to that Runzer. Okay, that's her, guys. There's room for a bag up there. Got the down quilt. There's not even enough room to film in there, so I'm going to turn the lights out here and hit the sack. Good night. Thanks very much. If you like this kind of thing, please subscribe. I managed to get in, guys. Can you imagine a big bloke like me getting in such a small little... It's like a coffin. It truly is a coffin tent. I feel a little claustrophobic, but it's screen mesh, so we'll get some good ventilation all night, and we're not expecting any rain, so that's beautiful. Anyway, that's it for sure. Now I'm just going to turn in, and we'll see you all in the morning. Thanks again, and please hit the thumbs up like button if you like it. Good night. Good morning, guys. Oh, it was a very restful sleep. Feeling great. Yeah, that little tent worked out good. It's not really a tent, it's more of a bivy bag, I would call it, but I think it was advertised as a tent. So we're just gonna get our things together here and start thinking about starting the day, rolling into the day. It's about 5:45. I'm almost certain that the dog walkers are going to be up and about momentarily, I think. So put some of this stuff away anyway so that we're ready to bug out. I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. I just have to clear the cobwebs out of my head and just soak in some of this beautiful green rainforest in the morning and the beautiful sound of the birds. I hope you guys can hear those. It's just so peaceful. Absolutely peaceful. I love it. Hi, it's me. I'm back. Just trying this new camera out, the Canon SX740. That's what I bought it for this trip that's coming up. Okay, everything is packed away. We're just going to sit here and enjoy this beautiful nature for as long as possible. Right now, even if there are dog walkers, who cares? We're all packed up. We're just sitting in the forest. That's what it's for. So, all good in the hood. That was a real fun one, relaxing, long overdue. Speaking of timelines, the director and I are heading to Puerto Vallarta in a couple of weeks, so thinking about bringing the cameras down there and maybe just showing you guys something about Puerto Vallarta if you're interested. So stay tuned if you'd like to see that. Other than that, things are going good. And that's about all there is to say. So cheers, everybody. Maltese Falcon out.